Okay, y'all, so the palette I'm using today is Huetopian Dream Mothership. What's that say? Child, I can't see it. 9, I guess so. Mothership 9 Huetopian Dream. I picked this because I am going to be using my Hourglass. I have the tiger, or what's this? Leopard? Yeah, I have the leopard casing, but the snake on the inside. If I get it open, and it looks pinky golden brown, so I'll be testing this out today. Going in first with the corally shade. I want to cover a lot of area, so I'm using this. All right, y'all, I'm back. I finished my eyes with Huetopian Dream. Looks pretty. So now I'm going to go in with the Hourglass face palette. But before I do, let me tell you a little bit about it. It's the ambient. I got the packaging for the leopards, but the inside is the snake because it is the one that's deep skin friendly, and everything is new in here except this first color. So everything is new except this. Well, here they are close together. You'll see one is more pink and one is more orangey. So this is the one from last year, and this is the one from this year. I'll show swatches in here as well. But I'm going to finish my entire face using this one. I've already done everything except bronze, blush, and highlighter. So that's what we're going to do in here. So for bronze, even though it's not very very dark, even though it's not that dark, I'm going to use this one right here. Just trying to build it up here. Whatever it gives me, it gives me. Okay, and then I'm going to go on blush. I'm going to use this one. Oops, I'm going to use this one right here. I like how compact this is. And they are some pretty blushes. Okay. Dab that in. And I'm going to go under my eyes with this finishing powder right here just to see what that does, because I've already set my... Alright. And then lastly, I'm going to go with this one right here for highlighter. This is real quick, y'all. And I think that's one of the beauties of this palette. It's real quick and easy to use. And I hope next year Hourglass gets it even better than this and comes up with a truly deep skin tone one. Alright, let me spray my face with my respectable Glow Recipe face mist. So respectful. Using my Candy Glaze YSL lipstick in number 14. Alright, y'all, this is my finished look. As usual, the Hourglass is a good formula. Just the shade range is a little suspect, but I do like the fact that there's only one repeat shade in this one, and that you can pick the packaging that you wanted. So that was great. But yeah, that's it for this video, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another one.